everyone, this is BJ, and ever since I purchased my WeatherWool Anorak, I've been taking it with me into the field pretty much all the time at this point. I never want to leave it behind, and I'm sure I'm preaching to the choir that once I find a piece of gear that's so versatile and really works well and is very comfortable in so many different environments and conditions, I want to take it everywhere with me. So I just wanted to make this short video and show you how I integrate it into most of my pack systems. Save space and make it more convenient for deployment. So I started looking at some of my compression or stuff sacks, and these particular ones from Hyperlite Mountain Gear kind of gave me the idea to come up with a shape that would fit into my pack and take up a lot less space and help things keep a lot more organized. And the strap for the hood makes for a great handle to pull that sucker right out of the pack when you need it. So this is one of my go-to packs for winter. It's a Fjallraven Kajka. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. But in this case, I like to have my anorak right on top so it's easy to deploy. If the weather's really bad or it's really cold when I get to camp, maybe I've been sweating and now the wind is kicked up and I'm pretty chilly. So I like to have it right there. And again, that handle for the hood adjustment really makes a good way to grab it right out of there. Pop it right out. And sometimes I like to throw it right on a stool so I have a nice little camp chair. And also cushioning and warming my bum while I'm at it. Fits real nice on top of that stool, as you can see. So I have a new respect for people that only have one arm or try to film things while they're demonstrating. So I basically just roll this up into its very ample hood, which is basically like a built-in stuff sack for the anorak itself. And again, forgive me for doing it one-handed, but you can see the anorak is pretty big. So to be able to get it condensed really makes things a lot easier and opens up a lot more room in your pack and saves you from having to use another stuff sack for it. I really like the way it folds into itself, and that's kind of how I do it there. I just kind of flop it open, fold the arms across the chest, and then roll up the bottom part. I'll fold it a little bit like so before I stuff it into the hood there, and you can kind of get the idea as I do that. With that said, being able to pack a large piece of gear into something smaller and versatile that really fits into your pack system and also integrates itself into several different modes, like I mentioned earlier, that being a camp chair, cushion, something to warm your butt, and also a great pillow for me to sleep with at night. So thank you.